Hey folks, my name is Shehroze, and in this video, I'm going to give you a full rundown of what this service has to offer so that you can make an informed decision of whether or not it's right for you. So if you've ever dreamed of making real money in the markets without actually stressing about the charts, the news, or even spending hours a day studying, then this is the exact opportunity you've been looking for, but please do not skip anything in this video because this could seriously change your life. So I send out real-time swing trade alerts, which means as soon as I see a good trade, I let you know exactly what I'm buying or shorting. I let you know exactly where we're entering, our stop loss price, and our take profit price. So everyone has the ability to copy my trade that way and make the same amount of money as me. Now, as soon as I send out the trade, you get a notification, and all you need to do is pull out your phone, copy the trade, and that's it. So all you need for this is a phone with a Wi-Fi connection. You don't need a laptop or anything else. And it only takes you 30 seconds to copy the trade. Now you might be thinking like, I don't even know what any of this stuff means or how to enter a trade. So what am I gonna do? Well guys, as soon as you sign up, there's gonna be 2 tutorial videos that I want you to watch. And as soon as you watch them, you will know everything you need to be able to copy me. Remember, you're not learning how to trade, right? You're just learning how to copy my trades, which isn't rocket science. So any question that you guys might have regarding how to enter trades, how to copy me, or any of this stuff, trust me, I've thought of it for you already, and your questions will be answered in those 2 tutorial videos. And in case they're not or you need any extra help, we always provide extra support. Now picture this for a second. Imagine just checking your phone while working a full-time job, or you're out living life at the beach, traveling, or just chilling. And with one simple notification, boom. You've just made 500, 2,000, 5,000, or more, all because you copied a trade with zero stress or work. That's the lifestyle that I'm trying to help you build. But why am I different from everyone else that does the exact same thing as I do? Unlike all the fake gurus you've probably seen, I have something that none of them do. I have a fully verified, time-stamped track record with all of my consecutive winners and losers with all the necessary details, like the average profit on a trade, the risk to reward, and the position size. Anything you can possibly imagine is going to be on it. And if you want to see the track record or just verify it, the instructions are going to be in the description of this video. Now, some people ask or wonder that, if it's so easy, why don't hedge funds just do the same thing and get the same high returns as me? Now, to be honest, no one's actually asked me this before, but I wouldn't be surprised if someone does in the future, and it's actually a really good question, and the answer is really simple. So hedge funds have some massive disadvantages, right? The first one is going to be, the rules placed upon them by the government so that they can't just do whatever they want. And the second thing is they can't put too much of their money into a single stock at one time because there's simply not enough buyers and sellers for how much money they have. There's a lot more details I could go into, but that would take a whole nother video to finish. But the point is, we don't have any of those disadvantages, so all we need is the right knowledge and guidance, and that's exactly what you're getting here. Now, a little about me personally. So I've been trading since I was 14 years old, and I've learned directly from institutional traders. They're the guys that, wake up in the morning, put on their suits, and trade for hedge funds, banks, institutions. I've learned directly from these guys, and they've taught me institutional factors, right? Now, I haven't just learned from them, I've actually surpassed all of them by miles. And the only reason I was able to do that is really my passion for what I do. And look, I know exactly what it's like to struggle financially. I know what it feels like to want a better life, but not even know where to start. That's why this mission is personal to me. It's not just about making money, it's about giving people a real shot at freedom, which is really hard to attain nowadays, let's be honest. So anyways, about 85% of the trade alerts I send out are going to be stocks, and the rest are going to be a mix of commodities like the S&P, NASDAQ, big cap cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and occasionally even Forex plays like Euro USD, USD CAD. But here's the thing, I only send out swing trades so that everyone can get in and out at around the same price as me and make the same amount of money as me in percentage, even while working a full-time job. But let me just make one thing crystal clear. At no point in time there's a guarantee that I will send out a trade. Some months I might send out 0, some months I might send out 10. But that's because I prioritize quality over quantity. I've learned from years of experience to only take a trade and send it out when there's an extreme high probability setup. Because for me, it's not about, getting people to sign up and try them out. It's about getting people to sign up and have their minds blown at how accurate my trade alerts are so that they never leave and stay for life. And remember, we're competing with some of the smartest people in the world. hedge funds, banks, institutions. And because of that, the market is very competitive. It's almost always 50-50. Like, is it going to go up or down? It's almost always 50-50. So to find a setup that has an 80% chance of winning, or at least 70, it's going to take time and a lot of searching. But just to be clear, nothing in trading is actually guaranteed because there's always risk involved, even when you're copying a master. But the difference here is that you're copying someone with a verified, time-stamped track record. Now, on top of the trade alerts, you also get a foundation trading course so that you can actually learn how to trade, and it comes with daily classes. Because look, sure, you might be, copying my trades, and that's great, but one day you might actually want to learn to do it yourself and be self-reliant. And when that day comes, you'll be ready. Now, here's another thing, guys. If you're looking to make 5 to 10% a year, then honestly, you might just be better off buying index funds, right? But if you're here to make 50 to 100% or more a year, then this is exactly where you want to be. But remember, the sooner you start, the sooner you start compounding. Every month you wait is costing you more than you realize. Now, here's the final and most important thing I need to tell you before you guys go sign up. It's that after you sign up, I want you guys to go straight to the tutorial videos and watch them all very, very carefully so that you actually know what you're doing. Like, even if you are experienced at copy trading or even trading itself, please watch them both. It's urgently important. Now, if you have experience, sure, you may skip some of those, parts of the video, but go through all of them and make sure you don't miss anything important. But that's basically it, guys. I covered pretty much everything. So with all of that being said, I hope to see you guys soon.